Have you ever stared up at the night sky and felt a mix of awe and dread? Beyond the sparkling stars and poetic beauty of the heavens lies a harsh truth. The universe is not just a cradle of wonder. It's a realm of chaos, violence, and ancient forces capable of extinguishing life on Earth in an instant. These threats aren't science fiction. They are real, they are colossal, and they are mostly silent. Until they strike. Today, we plunge into the abyss to uncover the most dangerous astronomical phenomena that threaten our fragile blue planet. Brace yourself. This is not just an exploration. It's a warning. 1. Gamma-ray bursts, the universe's silent snipers. Imagine a beam of light so powerful that if it were to hit Earth directly, it could strip away our ozone layer in seconds, incinerate the surface, and bathe the planet in lethal radiation. That's a gamma-ray burst, or GRB. These titanic explosions are birthed in the death throes of massive stars collapsing into black holes. Though fleeting, lasting mere seconds to minutes, their energy outshines entire galaxies. If one occurred within our galactic neighborhood and was pointed right at us, the damage would be swift, global, and irreversible. The good news? GRBs are rare. The bad news? We might not see one coming until it's too late. 2. Supernovae, the celestial bombs. A supernova is not just the death of a star. It's a cosmic detonation of unimaginable force. When a star at least 8 times the mass of our sun collapses, it erupts into a blinding explosion, hurling radiation and matter across space at near light speed. If a supernova were to occur within 50 light-years of Earth, and yes, there are candidate stars that close, it could cause a mass extinction event. The resulting shockwave and gamma radiation would wipe out our protective ozone layer and flood the planet with harmful ultraviolet rays. One potential threat? Betelgeuse, a red supergiant 642 light-years away. It's safe. For now. But cosmic distances shrink in the timeline of the universe. 3. Rogue planets, the silent drifters. Picture this. A massive planet, orphaned by its star, drifting through the void in utter silence. No light. No warning. Just momentum. These are rogue planets, and there are billions of them. If one entered our solar system, it could gravitationally disrupt planetary orbits, send asteroids hurtling toward Earth, or even eject us from the habitable zone of the sun. And the terrifying part? Since they emit no light, detecting them before it's too late is nearly impossible. They are the ghost ships of the cosmos, sailing dark and blind. 4. Asteroid impacts, the ancient killers. The most immediate and familiar threat comes not from distant galaxies, but from within our own solar system. We've seen their scars on the Moon, on Mars, and here on Earth. 66 million years ago, a city-sized asteroid ended the reign of the dinosaurs and plunged the Earth into darkness. Despite modern efforts to catalog near-Earth objects, thousands of potentially hazardous asteroids remain undetected. Even a relatively small impactor, say 140 meters across, could devastate a region the size of a major metropolitan area. One unexpected rock, one unlucky trajectory. That's all it takes. 5. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections, the sun's wrath. We often think of the sun as life-giving, but it can also lash out in violent fury. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections, colossal bursts of electromagnetic radiation and plasma, can disrupt satellites, power grids, and communication systems on Earth. The infamous Carrington event of 1,859 fried telegraph lines across continents. If a similar event struck today, it could cripple the global economy, bringing internet and electrical infrastructure to its knees. We'd be plunged into digital darkness. a 21st century blackout of biblical proportions. And the worst part? These solar tempests happen regularly. It's just a matter of scale and timing. 6. Black holes, the invisible predators. Black holes, devourers of light, time, and space itself. If a rogue stellar mass black hole were to drift near our solar system, the gravitational chaos it could unleash is staggering. Planetary orbits would distort. Tidal forces could tear planets apart. Even without direct collision, its mere presence could doom us. Though rare, black holes are notoriously hard to detect unless actively feeding. And yes, they are moving through our galaxy. Unseen, silent, indifferent. The ultimate predator. 7. Cosmic radiation, the subtle poison. Not all threats are cataclysmic. Some are slow, cumulative, insidious. Cosmic rays, high-energy particles from distant stars and galaxies, constantly bombard Earth. Normally, our magnetic field and atmosphere shield us. But a weakening magnetosphere or a nearby supernova could spike radiation levels. The consequences? Increased cancer rates, mutations, and the potential collapse of ecosystems reliant on delicate cellular structures. This radiation doesn't kill in a flash. It corrodes the future, and we're already seeing fluctuations. 8. Galactic collisions, the long game. It sounds like the plot of a space opera, but it's real. The Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4 billion years, the two will merge in a gravitational ballet of cosmic proportions. While stars are unlikely to collide directly due to the vast distances between them, the gravitational reshuffling could fling solar systems, including ours, into cold intergalactic exile or toward the galactic center, where a supermassive black hole awaits. We won't be around to witness it, but our planetary lineage could be caught in the crossfire of galaxies. 9. The death of the sun, our final sunset. Nothing lasts forever. Not even the sun. In about 5 billion years, it will exhaust its hydrogen fuel, swell into a red giant, and consume Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. Even if our planet survives physically, it will be scorched, its oceans boiled away, its atmosphere gone. This is the end of all terrestrial life, unless we've already left by then. The death of the sun is not a surprise, but it is certain. The final act of our celestial parent is written in its very core. 10. The vacuum decay, a hypothetical doom. And now, the most chilling possibility of all. A cosmic horror based not on collisions or flares, but on physics itself. Vacuum decay. If our universe is in a false vacuum state, a kind of temporary unstable energy level, then one day, a bubble of true vacuum could spontaneously form. Traveling at the speed of light, it would rewrite the laws of physics as it passed, annihilating matter and restructuring reality. No warning, no escape, not even time to scream. It sounds absurd, but quantum mechanics doesn't rule it out. So, what does this tell us? That Earth, for all its wonders and defenses, is vulnerable. We float in a sea of cosmic violence, protected only by distance, luck, and the invisible forces of nature. The threats are real, some imminent, others distant, but all worthy of our awe and vigilance. Yet, there is power in awareness. Understanding these dangers inspires humility and action. It drives innovation in astronomy, planetary defense, and perhaps one day, interstellar migration. The sky is not just beautiful. It is a battlefield of titanic forces, and Earth is in the crosshairs. Stay watching. Stay wondering. Because the next great cosmic event, it might already be on its way.